everybody, welcome to our channel. Today's video is going to be about egg fighting. Eggs represent rebirth, and to many Christians, eggs symbolize the resurrection of Jesus. Egg fighting was a game that was practiced in Europe during medieval times. Many Eastern European countries still keep this tradition, and a few other countries around the world have some variation on this game. It's fun for families, especially children, and cheating is part of the fun. Let me explain the game to you with the gravity that it deserves. You and your opponent take an egg and hit the pointy ends together until one breaks. Then you hit the round ends. No hitting the sides. When both ends are broken, the egg is dead. Keep going until all eggs are destroyed. When you play the game of eggs, you win or you die.
Alright, now let's see you smash it against your head.
The wiener.
Thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, click the B if you want to subscribe. See you next week. Bye!